Hello everyone. If someone is using your name and your photo as an imposter account, then I'm going to tell you the necessary step to remove those photo from the account. So at first open your Facebook app and go to that imposter account. As you can see, this profile is using my photo. So click here like this and copy the profile link. Then open your Chrome browser and go to this link. Don't worry, I have given the link in my video description. So after going to this link, this page will appear. At first click on the someone created a fake account. Then it will ask, do you have a Facebook account? Click yes or no anything. If your photo is being used, then select the first option. Then a big form will appear. Just normal thing, add your name, then add your email address, then type the full name of the imposter account. Here you have to upload your government ID like voter card, driving license, anything. Then paste the copied link of that profile here. After that, the form is almost ready. At the bottom you can text them about your problem. This is optional. After all complete, then click on send. It will show form successfully submitted like this. Don't worry, Facebook will take action automatically against that account in just few hours. And you will get notified by email. And thanks for watching.